Every 6 years, that's not often for a checkup. However, it is the frequency that the North American Electric Reliability Corp, NERC, says that you need to check rapid pressure rise relays to be sure they can handle sudden or rapid pressure rises from a transformer. 6 years is a long time. Makes it tempting to forget altogether, except when you realize that a rapid pressure rise can cause catastrophic transformer damage. Wouldn't you feel more confident conducting RPRR testing annually, if not more? Especially when it's so easy to do with our rugged, truck-friendly testing kits. The mechanical standard. For more than 20 years, Qualitrol has offered a handy kit for mobile testing of mechanical RPRRs. There are literally thousands of them in trucks across the country and around the globe. The kit 013-1 comes in a portable hard case about the size of a cordless drill box. Its all-in-one design provides everything a tech needs to check the functionality of the mechanical RPRR 910 or 900 units. No finding multiple tools or fumbling with instruction sheets in the field. Just pop open the kit and test on site. Here's why it's so popular. Relay unit can be tested while installed on the transformer. Simply disable the alarm trip first. Everything you need to test the units is in one field test kit, and instructions are printed right on the case. It's an excellent portable diagnostic tool to keep on the truck with other important tools. It takes only a few minutes to be sure your relay is working properly and ready to protect your assets. If you have any questions or need any help testing your RPRRs, please feel free to contact Qualitrol. We're here to help.